Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to do long division. So here's andymath.com with some practice problems for long division. We'll do this one right here. This will be read as 1,116 divided by 9. First thing, how many times does 9 go into 1? 0 times. How many times does 9 go into 11? Once. We put the 1 above the farthest number over that it goes into. So we don't want to put the 1 there because 9 didn't go into 1. We put the 1 here because it went into 11. I hope that makes sense. And then we do 1 times 9 gives us 9, and we subtract, and we get a 2, and we bring down this 1. Now, how many times does 9 go into 21? Goes in twice. 2 times 9 is 18. 21 minus 18 is 3. Then I bring down the 6. Give me 36. 9 goes into 36 4 times. 4 times 9 is 36. And if we get a 0 at the end, and we're done with all of our numbers, that means there's no remainder. So the answer should be 124. And we can check that. 124 is the answer. So if this all makes sense, if you want to practice more of these, there's the long division page on andymath.com. You can find it by going to andymath.com. Either scroll down to find the long division page, or if you're not patient, you can just type long division. And it's just this one here. There's also long division with remainders if you want to practice that page. Just click on it, and it brings you to the page. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Andy Math.